This is the Target exclusive vinyl. It's the Melon Jihyo Zone on vinyl. Total of 7 tracks. 4 tracks on side A, 3 tracks on side B. Shoot this again. Comes with a poster and a slip mat. Show the side. GYP. Zone. Jihyo. Here's the inside. So this is the slip mat. This is the back. This is the front. Okay, so it's the poster. One of this, I think probably just one single poster. Not sure if there's any other versions. Oh, just the sleeve. Oh, that's nice. It's the melon. More like orange color. Side A. To side B. Yep. So it's a quick unboxing. Got it straight from Target. They're still available on their website. So thank you guys for watching.